friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ravina and for today's video I am going to share with you guys how I edit my thumbnails. So let's start. First open Google on your phone and search for aesthetic background with no copyright. Click images and you'll find lot of images, so choose one which you like, click on the image and download it, or you can either screenshot it. Make sure it suits your video, but I didn't go for this one. I clicked my own picture through camera and I'm going to use that. So open that image you clicked or you download it in your file manager or gallery. Now click share and open PicsArt. I will link PicsArt app in the description box. You can download it. Your image will be opened in PicsArt. Now click fit and select ratio. Go for the last one, that is YouTube. Zoom in the image or zoom out and save it. Now we'll start with the text. Start typing your text. Now choose whatever font you want. There are lots of font available. Choose color, stroke, adjust it wherever you want. Adjust your size of the font. For the color, you can go for the color picker which is available down. You can also keep changing different fonts for each word. Select your font color through the color picker. Increase stroke. Do the same with all your text. After typing text, go to stickers. Stickers make your thumbnail more attractive. In stickers, search smartphone and select a smartphone which you want. Zoom it and adjust it with your thumbnail. Again click stickers, and for more decoration I'm going to add some palm leaves. So search for it and you'll find lots of them. Select one and put them on your thumbnail. Then I decided to add a YouTube icon. So search for YouTube. Select one icon and place it on your thumbnail. Now click done. Save your thumbnail. It will be saved to your gallery, and that's it. My thumbnail is ready.